What's going on, guys? On today's video, we're going to show you how to automate a welcome message to new users that are added onto your Microsoft Teams. Now, the first thing we want to do is configure Flow. Without Flow, we're not going to be able to automate any message whatsoever. So we need to add this onto our channel. And for this portion of it, it's up to you if you want to post to your channel about Flow, but obviously hit save. Alright, so now we can start creating our flow. Click on Automated from blank. And for the flow name, I put something really simple. Welcome new user. Now, this is where the triggers start getting involved. This is our first trigger that's going to activate an action. So type in when a new user is added, basically telling this flow, hey, when someone is added to this team, execute an action. Pick when a team member is added and create. All right, for this portion, we're going to be using our test team as the team that we want the action to take place in. So click on next step, and then we're gonna pick our first action. Type in mention on the search bar, and you should get a list of different actions, but you want to click on the Microsoft Teams one. Before we hit next step, make sure that user ID is added onto the user field. Alright, so let's finalize this flow. In the search bar, type in post a message. Now, this is where the optional part of the video comes into play. You can either pick post a message version 3, and this action essentially sends out an automated message from your account, or seems like it, and the new user will get a notification that you mentioned them. But in this video, we're going to stick to this action, post a message from the Flowbot, just because I feel more comfortable with it. Again, completely up to you. If you want to make your channel a little bit more personal, then go for it. But we're just going to stick for the Flowbot for this video. Now for the team, just click on test team, and for the message, we're going to do something very generic, hello, and then click on the @mention, and then welcome to the team. As in for the headline, I decided to skip over it. It's not required, but I actually made a mistake and forgot to indicate which channel this message was going to be sent on. That's why I got the error message. In this case, we only have one channel, so we're going to click on general. Now we're going to hit save, and congrats guys, you have your flow up and running on your Teams channel. Now be prepared to wait a few minutes. It took me around 10 to 15 minutes until I got my message to confirm this flow worked, but hey, we're talking about Teams here, sometimes a little bit clunky. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get to them. And if you have any requests on other Teams tips that you guys want to watch, then sure, leave them there and I'll see if I can get to them. Have a great day, guys.